Covering Democracy 2010, an exclusive News Channel 5 Zogby poll shows 58% of Floridians believe we're heading in the wrong direction.
That same poll shows the race to see who will try to get Florida back on track is still too close to call. New this morning, News Channel 5's John Shainman breaks down the numbers in the governor's race.
In the past month, both Republican Rick Scott and Democrat Alex Sink have touted polls that had them out in front in their quest for the top job in Tallahassee. The newest News Channel 5 Zogby poll shows this race is still a toss-up. Among likely voters, Sink holds a 41 to 39% lead. That's well within the poll's 3.5% margin of error. To the point, political analyst Brian Crowley says with Republican voters more energized, the polls may be harder to track once early voting begins in 2 weeks.
What we found in the primary on the Republican side is that a lot of folks, record numbers of folks, voted early and voted absentee, and some believe that Rick Scott won the primary while Bill McCollum won on Election Day. So these polls are important and they're significant, and they're suggesting that the numbers are very, very close, but this is because of our early voting, it's much more fluid than it's ever been before.
The News Channel 5 poll had 15% still undecided. Where that may come into play is looking at each candidate's favorability rating. Sink has a 19% not at all favorable rating. Scott's is at 27%, a surprise to Crowley.
After millions of dollars were spent basically tagging him as a crook. So the fact that his unfavors are only 27% surprises me.
One interesting point, 17% of African Americans and 20% of Jewish voters polled were still undecided. Both of those camps traditionally vote Democratic. We've got a complete breakdown of all the numbers on our website, WPTV.com. John Shainman, WPTV, News Channel 5.